Okay, so the Divoom Aurabox Bluetooth speaker, it's not just a typical Bluetooth speaker. Now this one does a lot more, and like I said, it will make a nice gift this Christmas for someone, for your dad, boyfriend, whoever, right? Please, especially ladies, no more SUVs, if you know what I mean. Socks, underwear, and vest, please, no more. This will make a nice little gift, right? And like I said, it does a lot more. Let's see. If you could see it here, it says social media notifications on the display. Create your own design. I'll get into that. Enjoy music and light. And it has a clock, alarm, and a thermostat. So this little speaker does a lot more. All right. Nice packaging in the box. And this is the debut of my unboxing knife. I think I'll call him Blue. All right, so let's open this up. All right, this bed, no course on this box. It looks nice. Packaging is very nice. Okay, here we go. All right, now the difference in this Bluetooth speaker, it has a nice display. It's about 100 LED lights, so this gives you all the different, you know, stuff. Like I said, the notifications, create your design. It's pixelated, so you know you get all you do everything on the speaker, and it's all done through an interactive mobile application. Now this application could be downloaded from either the App Store, the Android, and also the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. All right, and here we have a Divoom. Let's see, put you away. All right, I'll go into the app as well. All right, says see you again and hi, nice to meet you. So some nice little intro card here. Oh, the packaging is really nice. Let's see. So this is a speaker. All right, down to the side. What we also have, all right, a manual. Be inspired by light and sound. So, all right, you should read this. And we also get a little cable for charging, and a 3.5 on both ends for using this speaker for auxiliary input. All right, which is nice. Nice that they included it in the package. Right, so let's get to the speaker now. Oh, but before that, previously I used two Bluetooth speakers. Now I had this Ivation quite a while now. It's really nice, waterproof, the sound is good, the battery life is awesome. And what I like about this speaker, it has a display. So if I could just power it up quickly, I'll have a link in the description. What I like about it has a display, so it shows you the station, the tracks, the name of the tracks that's played and so on. And the sound is really good. Again, it's dust resistant, IP68, so you could dump it in the pool or whatever, wash it off if you're on the beach. It's really nice. And a nice, this also anchor, which is nice. It looks small, but the sound out of this is really good. All right, another nice little Bluetooth speaker. They also make external battery packs for charging phones and laptops and so on. So they're in the business a little while now. All right, so let's get to this speaker. Yes, I'll also be using this as a nice little prop in my videos from now on. All right, it's a little small, but all right. So we have the speaker to the back, the auxiliary input for this same 3.5 jack that we got. Right, so you want to plug in your cell phone. You can plug your cell phone via one end and then the other end into the speaker itself. Your micro USB for charging, and then to the front, here's where all the LEDs are. To the top, you should be able to see it. There's a volume up, volume down button, play, pause, power button. Right, and I think this little star button is the button to give you different various displays coming out from the front of here. Right, it also has a microphone. Now again, this is also a Bluetooth. You have your calls coming in. You could also answer and receive your calls via this speaker as well. Right, so let's peel the front off, and let's power him up. Should have has some charge. Excellent. All right, so my next step, let me get to my phone so I can connect it. Okay, so let's get into the feature of this speaker now. So let's power it up. Excellent. So you have a little nice little heart, the Bluetooth symbol, and it's connected. Let's just make sure. All right, so we have the Aurabox connected. All right, let's go right into the app, and again, you can get it from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Right, and our first boot up, the time is displayed. All right, it's 12:26. All right, and the main screen, let's check from the main screen in the app. Once you just slide, it shows you the different features on the display. So slide to the left, we have the thermometer, 27 degrees Celsius. We have a light show, so you can just switch different colors by tapping. Next we have dancing to your beat. So this is the equalizer while your music is playing. All right, I'll get to that in a little bit. Then we have a basic light show kind of thing going on, all while music is playing as well. We have party rock. We have So to the Rainbow. Again, nice little display, excellent for when you're having those outdoors or indoor, you know, get-togethers and limes and so on. And then we have Fuel the Stellar Explosion, a basic countdown. Excellent or great for that old years into New Year's, you know, party. Alright, now also in the speaker, again, like I said, there's the button to the far right, and you could just press to switch between the different display. So we have the clock, thermometer, and then the equalizer display. Countdown. Get back to the clock. Alright, so let's go to the menus, various menus in the app. Alright, and it's fairly simple to use as well. And let's jump right into the app. Right, so the menu button to the top left, and well, general is that first screen that I showed, that when you swipe it goes to the various. Then we have music. Alright, let's test out the sound of it. It's quite loud. You can also access your music right from within the app, from your music library. So you tap and then you can go to your albums and choose your album, artist, whatever. There's an alarm. So there's a scene, we have a sleep timer. So you could use it to sleep. So you have music playing in the background and you put it in a sleep mode. Alright. Or a normal alarm. With different scenes on your display. Then we have a gallery. While the music is playing, you can have the different displays. So the different tabs, popular, flag, animation, and so on. So for example, tap on the telephone. Then there's a play button, say play. And you can see the telephone. You could go back again, click on the gallery button below. Popular, so yeah, lots of animation to choose from. We have flags as well. So yeah, pick your country. Once it's there, isn't that nice? Next we have design. So under design you have the various colors and you can choose by scrolling on the screen in the various patterns you want. And colors, hit play and it's displayed on the screen. Alright, lots of fun. So that was design, animation. So you could create your own animation. Notifications. Right, under notifications you can choose from Facebook, Twitter, incoming calls, missed calls, WhatsApp, you name it, text messages. So all these notifications will be displayed on the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so it's very nice device and guaranteed for lots of fun. Make Dad happy this Christmas. And that was it. Thanks for watching the review of the Aurabox Bluetooth speaker. Hi, my name is Daryl, and that was the unboxing of the Aurabox Bluetooth speaker. A nice little speaker. I got about 3 to 4 hours of continuous use with the LED lights. Without the lights, you will get more. But it's a nice little speaker. If you like my video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and again, thanks for watching Cool Geeks TNT.